Just step back for a sec. I just gotta test it out here. Oh, it's perfect. I'm doing flips for this. Cassie is a hardworking X-ray tech who's really good at seeing things on the inside, but when she's not working, she likes to spend her time outside, and that's where she needs my vision. So I am gonna scan her yard and make it radiant.
This is it. This is my backyard.
Where's the rest of it?
This is it.
This is it, all right.
Yeah.
Woo.
I work long days, so when I come home, I would love to just sit out here and relax, but right now, this kind of just drives me crazy to come out here.
It's pretty tight, and to me, it basically looks like you got a couple chairs sitting in the corner over there, and the rest is just wild concrete zone. Tell me what you would like to do when you're relaxing out here.
I would love to barbecue. I like entertaining. I haven't found a way to make this work for that. Some place I could put my feet up. I'm on my feet all day. I just would love to relax and something low maintenance as well.
All right, you give me the yard for a day. I'm gonna make sure there's somewhere to barbecue, somewhere to hang out, somewhere for you to relax in the shade. We do need to bring some green back into this yard, but we'll keep it low maintenance.
Perfect.
And then maybe do something fun with this wall. We gotta clear out all these stones and start from scratch.
Okay.
All right, let's get to
All right,
work.
let's do it.
My goal here is to de-stone this whole yard, get all these patio stones out, we'll re-level, and I got a very cool, super low maintenance idea for you.
Awesome, I'm excited.
Hey, good morning.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Doing well, yourself?
Good, good, good. So here's what I'm thinking. We want green in here.
Okay.
We need super low maintenance. I know you guys have some products that'll work. What do we got?
It's a product called Prime Fescue.
So this is synthetic grass.
Synthetic turf, yep, polyurethane, double thatched, which means you have a tall grass and you have another thatch inside. So when you're walking on it and it moves,
It looks real.
it looks real. It's a polyurethane backing. So which means is all the fibers get coated.
Okay.
So what happens sometimes is with wear and tear, as it moves, if you don't have the polyurethane backing, tufts can pull.
Oh no, we don't want that.
We don't want that. So that's a very important part of the product. No maintenance, no fertilizer, no gas lawnmowers, none of that.
How much prep do we have to do to get this down?
So we're gonna mark everything out, we're gonna regrade it, put the gravel down, and then the turf goes on top of that.
All right, instant gratification, I like it. Gentlemen,
Hey Scott, how's it going?
it's going amazing.
Good, man.
We got a backyard in a day. Here's the plan.
Yep.
We're doing the yard, but I got this one wall, it's the side of the garage. Homeowners sort of freestyle, so whatever you guys come up with, I like it. I like everything that's happening right here.
I got some great colors right here.
All right, let's do it. So what's he spreading out here? It looks like fertilizing.
It's not fertilizing, it's actually the Enviro filter we're putting in. It's the sand that's mined out of Texas, and then it's infused with microban. So it has antibacteria microbes in it, so counteracts mold, mildew, and if you have turf with EnviroFill, again, that's the only way to go.
Looks beautiful. So excited. So let's get her done so I can set this up. Okay, I think we have all the material here now. You and I are going to assemble this guy.
That's cool.
You said you want to relax, it's got a hammock in it.
Ah, perfect.
You
Good.
said you want some shade, it's got a canopy over top.
Great.
And we're gonna put this together. I got all the 4x4 posts.
Okay, perfect.
All right,
Okay.
here we go, you and me. So we're gonna move in the base first,
Okay.
then we'll put the posts, then we'll lift the top on.
Okay.
Woo-wee. Okay, everybody grab a pole, lift it up, find your hole. Woo! We got it made in the shade now. Oh, that's not bad. This is fantastic. your X-ray vision didn't see a party going on in the backyard?
No, I missed it.
Let's go. You're gonna
Okay.
love this.
Awesome.
Backyard of dreams. Cassie, check out your yard.
This is excellent. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
How do you
Okay.
like it?
This is amazing.
It's a lot to take in. I'm sure the first thing you're noticing is this turf.
Yes.
After we pulled the patio slabs out, I had Terra Opus come in. They laid a 4-inch base, and then they laid all this turf, which is insane. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. Looks like grass, it feels like grass, but zero maintenance.
Perfect.
So here we go, I got a little barbecue zone for you here. I know you said you like to do a bit of entertaining. You can't
Yes.
entertain without a barbecue.
Oh, very nice.
Then we have a little seating zone over here.
Those are actually really comfy.
Aren't these good? And then we use the concrete pad as sort of a dining nook. So here we can sit down, we can relax, you got the umbrella.
Definitely a lot more welcoming than those 2 chairs, yeah.
Better use of this
Yes.
corner, right?
Yes.
But honestly, this canopy here, which is one of the best features of the space,
My
it's
favorite.
a total chill out spot. We're looking at 12 4x4 posts.
Okay.
And then we use the Toya grid in order to create like a cube, right? You get the backdrop screen, you get the screen on top, which adds a little shade. And then you get this, take this for a test drive.
Can I?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Dive in.
Oh. That's so
And then
great.
look at that back wall. How fun is that?
That is really fun. It's like an outside accent wall.
Outside
I like it.
accent wall.
I like it
and
a
so
lot.
much color in this
I
front
know.
yard.
Yeah, and it like pulls into all that stuff there. It's great.
Are you happy?
So good. I'm so happy.
Good.
So happy.
Glad you are happy. Good
Bye,
night, Cassie.
thanks. Good night.
Enjoy. 25 years of you just hanging out here doing a lot of Oh. Right?